Here's the solution: the Urikar AT1. Uniquely designed for you and for me. Easily ready to assemble wherever you are. Super lightweight with a touch of a button. You can easily access the smart dashboard. To get started on your recovery, start with AI-powered auto mode for daily life. Or you can switch to professional mode for pro users, restoring a 16mm amplitude depth for deep muscle treatment and 60 pounds of force. The AT1 is customizable. It's packed with a futuristic battery that can be used up to 10 working hours. With built-in infrared sensors, the adaptive massage speed knows when to speed up or slow down based on the distance it is from you. It's so convenient. You can use it at work. And with specially designed massage head recognition system. The AT1 adapts to your body with a smart human body induction. While nicknamed the Silence Ninja, it registers under 60 decibels. So get ready to improve your performance. Relieve that stress at work and prevent injuries. The Urikar AT1, well beyond healthcare.